Hi, I'm Yiman.
I'm Alex.
My name is Evie.
And my name's Kyle.
I'm Ruth.
And I'm Brian.
Hey, I'm Shay.
I'm Darshan.
Today I'm here to do the boyfriend does girlfriend makeup challenge.
And we are team Couple Goals. Hashtag
Couple goals.
And we are
Couple goals.
With a little twist though, because we are the single represent. Okay, there's gonna be a few rules for this. Number one, the makeup is for date night.
And the guy does the girlfriend's makeup.
There's no instructions given.
And I cannot say a single thing. Like even if he asks, even if he's putting the wrong thing on my face, I cannot say a single thing.
Has to be done in 15 minutes. I've never done this, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
And the marks were given by me out of 10 marks. And it's gonna be judged on 4 things. First is on face, out of 10, and then eyes, and then lips, and eyebrows. Yeah, so I'm judging you on that. I'm kind of nervous about him doing my makeup.
I'm excited. More than excited.
Oh.
I wonder. Hold on. How do you? Okay. I just use my fingers for this. Yeah.
Can you see the color?
I'm not gonna use that.
Glowing eyebrow. Yeah, I may have. This is. No. Okay. Oh, this not. I know why he does like to do this every day. Oh, really?
You actually enjoy doing this?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh, not bad. Yeah, be careful, it's gonna spill.
Oh, okay.
I put it for you.
Arms are sweating.
Really?
Yeah.
You put a lot. I think it's going to my eye.
Yeah, this is the one. Uh-oh. Now just a little bit concealer later.
Just like,
oh my gosh.
my face.
I'll take that. I'll take that. No, it looks so wrong, but.
You're gonna start with that. What are you gonna do with that?
Don't keep moving.
I'm sorry, I guess I'm laughing. I feel like this eyebrow is like super black.
This chocolate thing, I remember I smelled it in your cheek, I think. Kind of.
It was on my cheek!
Mini, miny, mo. Which color shall I choose? Can't see anything. Because I choose the wrong color because coloring is not so obvious. Wow. How does this work? These are glitter. What the heck? I wish they can just label the colors. Whatever it is. Look.
Nice, huh?
Cute.
Cute.
Yeah.
It's so not nice.
It's nice.
Am I pretty?
You are.
I like the way you pull your brush. Your pinky is like in the air.
I'm gonna draw your brows now.
Babe! Why are you laughing?
How many minutes do I have left? Where's your lipstick? Yeah. Smells like smells like it's supposed to go there. Just read this real quick. Lip contour. Okay. Almost got it wrong. Why are you even scared?
Because there's a sharp object near my eye and it's a okay, done.
Whoa! Oh, the whole thing. I totally got it wrong. Your pen's failing me.
I already hate you.
Come on, you look so cute.
To you. You missed a lot of steps.
Okay.
Wow. Actually, it's not bad. Babe! I'm like those Chinese doll, you know, like just stand beside the coffin one. Foundation part, you did not put any foundation on my face. It looks zero. Eyeliner, okay? You apply on my eyebrow. Yeah, both of this is
You
eyeliner.
give a 5? If I were you, I would give a -9.
And lips is the best.
Oh
10 out of
yeah,
10.
because I'm the best at your lips.
So the average mark for him is 4.75 out of 10 marks.
Close to 5. Close to half.
Not bad.
This is better than nothing.
Okay, for the lips, it's
Not really bad.
not really bad. But for my eyes, it's like I've been sucker punched twice.
Yes.
For the eyes, maybe about 3. Because you make me look like a panda. So for the foundation, it's a lot.
I'm quite the generous person.
Too generous. Marks is 5. Yes.
Still half. Still half.
Not bad.
Actually, this is a nice highlight color. I'm gonna use it more. It's so natural-ish glow. Not glow. Literally all over my face is glowing. So he says he won a lot of drawing competitions. I mean coloring competitions, but bro,
Yo, that's.
color in the line.
They
man.
give you lining. There's no lining here.
So for foundation, I can't give you any points because like there's no foundation. Eye makeup is 9 out of 10. 5.3. It's not bad.
Okay.
5.3 is good start.
Yes.
Are you happy?
At least a half.
So,
More than half.
Are we going on like this? I'm
What
not
do you
allowed to touch.
What do you mean you are going out like this?
You're not gonna come out with me
Okay,
like
I
this.
am.
Wow, this eyeliner is so on point. And you actually did put contouring in the right place. Yeah, it's not bad. It's like here, here. It's just that it's not blended out as properly. Face and foundation wise, I feel like the foundation is blended out quite well. The bronzer, I would give like a 5. 8 eyes. So you did it quite well. This one though. Okay, so for eyebrows, I would say 6 out of 10. Okay, so your average score of everything is 5.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Voila.
Okay guys, okay, before I go, I gotta say something to all the guys out there. Wanna do makeup for your girlfriend? Get the eyes right. First rule, it's impossible. 15 minutes? Yeah, that's impossible. I just found out, and now I understand why it takes like 5 to 6 years.
Actually, it's not hard as you think it is. It just, you know, like keep doing it and make her happy.
Putting on makeup and everything, it really takes good time and effort. Just appreciate what they do to make themselves look pretty. Let us know that who do you think did the best in this challenge. I personally think that I nailed it. Yeah. So give it a like, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe button right over here. Stay tuned for more videos and have a wonderful, lovely Valentine's Day.
Enjoy your Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's.